Yo, I did a Hummer H3 retrofit. That's pretty wild, right? So let's get into it real quick. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. These are brand new aftermarket OEM-Replica housings that I did a Morimoto MD2S projector retrofit in there. I did the orbit shroud, did a 90mm switchback halo, which is a profile product, and that is that. It's a 50-watt Morimoto HID kit that's running on it. So we've got a stupid amount of light output, which really dope about these things is it was really easy to dial them in, and I got the output to be right where I want it. The client only really cared about seeing at night, so we didn't want any sort of fancy LED upgrade bulbs or anything like that, but this is the halo lit up right now. It is extremely bright, and that looks kind of nice. The halo is just tapped into the parking light, so it's going to behave just like the OEM as far as the parking light circuits are concerned. This is what our turn signal is going to look like, although obviously this is the hazard, so that is a dual filament bulb, again just the incandescent one, so he's going to be blinking as well as that blinking, which is pretty groovy. Hooray! Nice little touch there, eh? Alright, and onwards onto the meat and potatoes. This is the headlight output, which is really just on camera, just going to look like a really bright ball of white light. However, up on the board, you can see that we have this gorgeous, crisp cutoff that is so typical of the MD2S projector, and it is bright. My camera doesn't take super great video at night to showcase the headlight output, but I can say that if you go onto the Instagram page and you find this vehicle, I did take some videos on my phone, which surprisingly has a better camera for night vision at least. I did this entire install in one day. He dropped it off this morning. I did the build, and then I did the install, and then I did the tuning basically once it got nighttime. So it all entirely a one-day turnaround, which is super fantastic. So he gets to pick it up tomorrow morning. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. So if you have any questions in addition to what I said here in this video, please refer to that. Any build inquiries that you may have for your personal H3 should be directed to the form on the website, and that information will again be located in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and you have yourselves a wonderful evening. I shall talk to you later. See ya!